Welcome back to the complete guide to Tiantian Xiangqi. Today we're talking about how to keep your app updated. So updates need to be done manually. Either you could go and check the website and download a new version. There might be announcements in some of the community forums. But the developers have put in place an in-app update system. For the purposes of this video, I purposely installed an older version of Tiantian Xiangqi. And when we log in, we notice this little notification dot over my profile. So let's go ahead and click that. And we see down here the app version information, and that's where the notification is coming from. So let's go ahead and click on that. So this is giving us some information about an update. In this update, they added a new online course, added game record import, added memorization mode to help improve your chess skills, two-player chess gameplay, as well as a new mode of playing called mini chess. So if we want to install this update, we click this updated version down here. It's downloading the new file. Now, if you recall, we previously changed settings on this phone to allow installation from an unknown source. So you might wonder, why is this asking me that question again? No, I didn't change the settings. The reason is because when we previously downloaded Tiantian Xiangqi, we downloaded it from the browser and opened it from the browser. And when we approved the installation of an unknown app from that source, the source that it was being referred to was the browser. In this case, the source is Tiantian Xiangqi itself. The chess app is trying to install a new program, and so it's considered a new source. So let's go ahead and go to Settings, Allow from this source, and then Update. App installed. Okay, and we're back into the program. So let's go check and see if we are updated. And indeed, we are now at a newer version than we were before. However, I see another notification dot saying that there's yet another update. So let's just, for the fun of it, take a look at that. Now, I don't see any information here. So let's see what this notification dot actually is. So this is just saying new resources detected. You want to restart the game to update. So I think when we installed the update, we may not have exited the game correctly and restarted it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're back into the app. So now let's go double check the update version. So we're still at the same version. No more updates available. So hopefully that helps you keep your app up to date. In our next video, we're just gonna look at the log out button, then we'll be done with the profile setup. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to continue talking about Tiantian Xiangqi with you in future videos.